Hi guys, Genah here again from Lotus Medical International. Today we're here with Steph, 1 week on from her surgery. So how are you feeling?
I'm actually feeling amazing after the surgery, especially since it was such an involved surgery.
How did you feel the day of your surgery?
On the day of the surgery, I started to get a little bit nervous, but still I was excited just to be able to see the end result.
So what did you think of the surgeon?
The surgeon was fantastic. He was very professional. He answered everything that I needed to be answered. He spoke very good English, which is extremely important.
Yeah.
And the way that he wanted the implant, which especially for being in competitions, is exactly what I needed, and he made sure that that was what was going to happen, rather than say being completely under the muscle, which wouldn't have worked for my competitions. So he made me feel very at ease going into the surgery because I completely trusted him.
Yeah, and tailored it perfectly
to what I needed. Yeah.
Great. And so what did you think of the hospital?
I thought the hospital was exceptional. It was very clean. The nurses were amazing. They were in to check on me every couple of hours, taking my blood pressure, making sure I was okay. They fed me well. If I needed any medication, any pain relief or anything, they were on the ball. They were just amazing, really. Yeah.
So far, how's your recovery been?
Recovery has been really good, actually, considering it was such a big surgery. The next day I was, first of all, coming out of surgery, I was a little bit dozy, but the next day I came out fine. I was able to study. The next few days were still great. Probably about the third or fourth day I was able to go out and do a little bit of shopping. Most of the time I've been wanting to sleep, which is really good because obviously my body needs it, but really good recovery considering what I've just been through. Yeah.
So has the surgery impacted your holiday in Phuket thus far?
Phuket has been fabulous. Probably the only thing that I can't do at the moment is swimming. So I would suggest coming here for a couple of days, enjoying the beaches and doing that sort of thing before you go and get your surgery, because after surgery you can't do that. But still, I've been able to go shopping. I've been able to go out at night. It may not be for very long, but I've still been able to see a bit of the nightlife. Yeah.
How do you feel the surgery will impact your competitions?
I feel my body is much more proportional. I feel like it's changed my shape completely. I don't feel as big on the bottom now, so I actually feel smaller here, whereas this was always my bigger area. Now it's definitely a lot more proportional, so I'm very excited about going into my next competition.
So how do you feel about your surgery and your experience with Lotus Medical International?
Absolutely amazing. I seriously couldn't have had it any better, I think. I'm just glad I didn't listen to my friends when they had their doubts about me coming to Phuket or to Thailand. I'm definitely so happy with the decision that I've made to come with Lotus International and to come to Phuket. The surgery and the surgeons and the medical staff have been exceptional. I think could have even been better than back home. I'm not sure, but I had my own private room. I had all of the mod cons, just everything that I needed was there, and all of the help and advice that I needed was completely there. It was just perfect. 100%.
How do you feel the surgery will change your life?
I think the surgery will definitely make me feel a lot more confident, especially going into my competitions. Definitely just being able to wear dresses and being proportionate. I'm just so happy with them, and I think definitely confidence. I'll be able to walk around with my shoulders back and just feeling happy about my shape and not worrying what anyone else thinks, and so just very happy.
And what advice would you give anyone contemplating travelling abroad for surgery?
I would say do your research, but 100% I would definitely go with Lotus International again for anything. If I ever needed to get anything done, They have been with me every step of the way. I'm not sure what it's like back home, but I can put 100% trust in Lotus International. So definitely go with them if you're getting surgery.
Well, Stephanie, thank you so much for your time and letting us follow you throughout this experience. And on behalf of Lotus Medical International, I wish you every success in your upcoming competitions. And we look forward to following up with you in a few months' time, no doubt. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and our website, Lotus Medical International.